Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a marketing strategy with HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a marketing strategy with HubSpot, start by defining your goals. Identify what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing brand awareness or generating leads. Next, understand your target audience. Conduct market research to gather insights about their behavior, preferences, and needs. Once you have your audience defined, create buyer personas. These personas will represent your ideal customers and guide your marketing efforts. Now it's time to audit your existing marketing assets. Review your website, social media channels, and any content you have. Determine what's working well and what needs improvement. After evaluating your assets, outline your key marketing messages. These messages should resonate with your target audience and reflect your brand values. Next, develop a content strategy. Plan the type of content you'll create, including blog posts, videos, and infographics. Make sure the content aligns with your buyer personas and their journey. Then, set up HubSpot tools. Start with the marketing dashboard to track your performance metrics. This dashboard will give you a clear overview of your campaign's progress. Segment your audience to send targeted emails that will engage each group effectively. Implement your social media strategy by linking your accounts to HubSpot. Use the social media management tools to schedule and publish posts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Next, monitor your analytics closely. Use HubSpot's reporting features to evaluate your campaign's effectiveness. Adjust your strategies based on the data you gather. Finally, continuously optimize your marketing strategy. Test different approaches and refine your tactics based on results. Building a marketing strategy with HubSpot requires consistent effort and adaptability. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive strategy that drives results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.